If you want to make text appear behind a moving object like this in Premiere Pro, just follow these steps. This is the original footage. Place the timeline cursor at the point where you want the text to appear. Then create your text first. Type in the text you want to add to the footage. Choose a font that fits your style. Then adjust the text size and position. Extend the text layer to match the footage duration, or just make it as long as you need. Decide where the text should start appearing. I'll place mine at this point. In the Effect Controls panel, expand the text settings. Click the free Draw Bezier tool. Then create a mask on the text. Try to make the beginning of the mask follow the shape of the moving object. Turn on the keyframe for mask path. Now all you need to do is move the mask so it follows the object's movement. Premiere Pro will automatically create new keyframes as you go. Hold the Shift key while moving the mask to keep the movement straight. If the text still doesn't appear at the right time, just adjust the mask until it looks correct. Once you finish setting the mask path keyframes, simply check the inverted option. As soon as you enable it, the text will disappear behind the object and then gradually appear again as the car moves forward. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.